Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will clear Cole-Pearson's coefficient of correlation between the age and playing habit. So 3 for statement, age group is given, number of students are given, number of regular players are given, and we have to calculate percentage of regular player between different age groups. So the value for the calculation of Cole-Pearson's coefficient of correlation, two values are required. First x and second one is y. Y is required. So values of x are given. For the calculation of x, different age groups are given. So let us calculate mid values. 25, 35, 45, 55 and 65. Then we have to calculate dx. For the calculation of dx, let us assume a middle value which is 45. We assume 45. 25 minus 45 is equal to minus 20, minus 10, 0, 10 or 20. Then dx dash. For the calculation of dx dash, the values of dx will be divided by common factor, which is we are taking 10 as a common factor. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 or 2. Then dx dash square 4, 1, 0, 1, 4. By sum of all the values, dx dash will be equivalent to 0. Dx dash square is equal to 10, and the value of dx is equal to, that is also equivalent to 0. Now the values of y are required, which is not given. For the calculation of y, let us compute percentage of regular player. Formula is number of regular player divided by number of students multiplied by 100. For the calculation of y, actually these will be the values of y. 10 divided by 25 multiplied by 100. Then 30 divided by 60 multiplied by 100. 12 divided by 40 multiplied by 100. 2 divided by 20 multiplied by 100. 1 divided by 20 multiplied by 100 is equal to 40, 50, 30, 10 and last one is 5. So these are the calculations of y. 40, 50, 30, 10 and last one is 5. So do calculate dy. Let us assume the middle value 30, 40 minus 30, 10, 20, 0, 20 and last one is 25 minus. Then dy dash, कॉमन क्लास इंटरवल ले रहे हैं 10 का, क्लास इंटरवल 5 का. ऑल द वैल्यूज आर डिविजिबल बाय 5. Then dy dash square is equal to and last calculations are dx multiplied by dy, dx dash multiplied by dy dash. Dx dash or dy dash values are 4, minus 2 multiplied by 2, minus 4, minus 1 multiplied by 4, minus 4, then 0, then 16, minus 4. Minus 4 multiplied by 1, and last one is minus 5 multiplied by 2, which is equivalent to 10. So dy dash is equal to dy dash minus 3, dy dash is equal to minus 3, dy dash is square, dy dash square is equal to 61, and last sigma dx dash multiplied by dy dash is equal to minus 22. Now let us put the values in the formula. Cole-Pearson's coefficient of correlation R is equal to sigma dx multiplied by sigma dy minus sigma dx multiplied by sigma dy divided by n whole divided by sigma dx dash square minus sigma dx dash whole square divided by n whole under root multiplied by sigma dy dash square minus sigma dy dash whole square divided by n whole under root. Let us put the values in it. Sigma dx dash or dy dash is equal to minus 22 minus sigma dx dash, which is 0 multiplied by sigma dy dash is equal to minus 3. 1 2 3 4 5 items are there, so n will be 5. Next, sigma dx dash square is equal to 10 minus sigma dx dash 0 divided by 5 whole under root multiplied by sigma dy dash is equal to 61 minus sigma dy minus 3 whole square divided by 5 whole under root. This will be equivalent to minus 22 divided by under root 10 multiplied by 59.2 under root is equal to minus 22 divided by 3.16 multiplied by 7.69 is equal to minus 22 divided by 24.3, and this will be equivalent to minus 0.90. So this negative sign indicates that there is poor coordination, there is negative correlation between the age and playing habits. It shows that as age increases, the tendency to play that decreases. So that's all regarding this numerical. Do subscribe my channel to see more videos related to Cole-Pearson's coefficient of correlation. Thank you.